Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here once more, and this is the subject of a video I made only a few days ago, and it was of an archway leading into a German town, and I'd put a couple of these banners on the floor. They weren't very conspicuous, but a few people have picked up on it and asked how I went about it. So they could actually sit either side of the archway like that. That would have been quite probable, actually, historically. So it got me thinking. Well, maybe it would look good on other dioramas that I'd made. So I looked at my old train factory that I did some time ago now. And again, with these either side, it would really make the whole thing stand out quite a bit, I think. So that was an idea I had, and also on my German municipal building, that again is another one that I made. If you look on my list of videos, you will see my municipal building video, how I went about making this. And again, that would be very suitable for these banners to sit there. So just a quick, I mean, I think it's pretty obvious really, but I thought I'd show you how I went about it anyway. It might help some people. So I started off with, where are we? A bit of paper, really, and made a grid of 5 squares square. So 5 squares by 5 squares. And normal size for 1/35 scale would be 1/8 of an inch. So 5/8 of an inch divided by 5, same that way, 5/8 divided by 5. Or 3 millimeters, so 15 millimeters by 15 millimeters. And if you look at that grid, you can make out the shape of the swastika. So you can make that shape out from those 5 squares. Yeah, so then with a pair of compasses, right in the center of the cross there, and draw a circle, cut that out with scissors or a sharp knife, rub off the pencil marks, and then stick that onto, you could use some cloth tape, masking tape, cloth tape, gaffer tape, whatever. Stick 2 bits together, just leave a little bit at the top there for sticking it on. Glue that on there at a jaunty angle, and then that would stick quite easily on any diorama that you wanted to. Failing that, I found an old shirt, an old yellow shirt of mine, and you can spray it red. It doesn't matter what cut, if you've got a red shirt, of course, it doesn't matter. But if you've got any old shirt, and cut that up to the size of the banner and spray it red, as I've done with these, and then just put these crosses on there. So, like I say, I think it's pretty obvious, really. But they do enhance a World War II subject diorama. A lot of model builders build tanks like my like my Sherman here, for instance, made in cardboard, and for which the video will be coming along very soon. I promise, honestly, it will do. So, you know, a lot of model makers like to make World War II models, tanks, trucks, jeeps, guns, whatever. So the diorama, the subject of the diorama is of the Second World War. That's what I'm trying to say. So these will be in keeping. They were, especially in Germany, they were everywhere. So that's how I did my banners. Okay, so any questions, please comment in the comments below. Failing that, please subscribe to the channel. There will be lots more video coming soon. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and happy modelling.